68 years of hiccups. A man once hiccuped non-stop for 68 years, longer than most people's entire lives. Charles Osborne started hiccuping in 1922 and didn't stop until 1990, racking up an estimated 430 million hiccups. Doctors tried everything from frightening him to sedatives, but nothing worked. He became a medical mystery, baffling experts and sparking endless curiosity. Amazingly, Osborne learned to live a normal life despite the constant spasms, working on a farm, getting married twice, and raising 8 children, while hiccuping every few seconds. His unstoppable hiccups finally vanished in 1990, just 1 year before he died. To this day, no one has broken his bizarre, exhausting record.